An-Naseeha Foundation is a non-profit dawah organization that have been arranging dawah events for over a decade. In the last 10 years, they have arranged over 65 dawah events for the community and benefited over 1 million people around the world through shared views on YouTube. An-Naseeha are now planning on opening the Knowledge Tree Institute, a professional Islamic dawah institute that will specialize in providing children with high-quality Islamic education and Quranic studies in a professional modern classroom learning environment. The Knowledge Tree Institute will also facilitate Islamic lectures, seminars, workshops and conferences, weekly Friday prayers with the sermon delivered in the English language every week on topics relevant to Muslims living in Britain, Arabic language classes for adults, a homeschooling support network offering science, technology, creative arts, English and maths classes for parents who wish to homeschool their children, an Islamic reference library and coffee shop, mixed martial arts classes, self-defense classes for ladies, classes for new Muslims, community open days, Islamic exhibitions, a youth club and much more. An-Naseeha Foundation is aiming to raise £595,000 to purchase a building to open the centre.
Don't lose out.
This is an amazing opportunity for you to help leave behind a legacy that will continue to benefit and help our future generations. Please make a donation today to this project. You can also use your zakat to donate. To make a donation, please use the following account details. Or you can donate using the link in the description below. Donate today and help leave behind a legacy.